Good morning. Today we'll see about synthetic repertory. See, as far as synthetic repertory is concerned, it is the enlarged version of Kant repertory. It is the enlarged version of Kant repertory. Its base is Kant repertory. Generally, when I say that its base is Kant repertory, it means that it is based on deductive logic, general to particular. It was written by two authors, or rather than it was compiled by two authors. One is Barthel and second is Clunker. It was written in three volumes. Volume 1, 2 and 3. First two volume was written by Barthel and third volume was written by Clunker. So it has three volumes. First two volumes were compiled by Barthel and third volume was compiled by Clunker. It is a general repertory as I told you. Now if we see, it is the first repertory which gives the exact source of rubric as well as medicine. Now what do you mean by source? See, if we talk about source of repertory, if we see the introduction of synthetic repertory, we can see that in introduction it has mentioned, in bibliography it has mentioned 16 sources. Here I am going to show you the sources. Bibliography, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. It has total 16 sources, and each sources has been numbered. For example, on first source, on first point, Kant JT. Second, on second, it is Nar. Third, Boger CM. Fourth, Jar. Fifth, Galverdin. Sixth, Stuffer. Seventh, Schmitz. Eighth, Burik. Ninth, Stephenson. 10th, Measure. 11th TF. 12th, Clark. 13th, Clunker. 14th, Julian OA. 15th, Kunjalai. And 16th, Hahnemann. So these are the 16 sources, and these sources number are fixed. Suppose for example, if on any medicine, suppose belladonna, it is written 2. For example, here belladonna 2. It means that this belladonna has been taken from the second number of source, and second number of source was, as I told you, on second number Nar comes. So it clearly indicates that belladonna has come from the second number of source, and that is Nar repertory. So it gives us the sources of rubric as well as the medicine. Next important thing of synthetic repertory is volume 1 belongs to mental symptom. Volume 1 belongs to mental symptom. Here I will clear it. Volume 1 belongs to mental symptom. Volume 2 belongs to general symptoms and modalities. General symptoms and modalities, and volume third belongs to sleep, dreams, male and female sexuals. So sleep, dreams, male and female sexual. So like this, the three sections have been divided. Next important thing of is synthetic repertory is these symptoms are numbered, and how they are numbered. See, simple thing is, as I told you, that this synthetic repertory is based on Kant repertory, or we can say that it is the enlarged version of Kant, right? So it is understood that all the symptoms of Kant repertory have been taken. Now those symptoms and drugs from Kant who have taken from the Kant repertory have not been numbered. They have given no numbers. Second important, symptoms or additions which were made by Kant in his own hands are marked by 1. Then supplement from his lectures and new remedies are marked by 1 dash. 1 dash denotes supplement from his lectures and new remedies. Then figure 2 to 16. Figure 2 to 16 denotes the exact source which I told you before. As I told you that each source has been numbered, and these 2 to 16 denotes the sources, exact sources. For example, if on any drug, again I am going to explain. If, for example, on page number 142, chapter is children, here you can see clairvoyance, and in clairvoyance anhelinum is given, right? It is written 18 to 18-10. Here hydrophobinum, it is written on hydrophobinum, it is written 14. It means that hydrophobinum has taken from 14th number of source, and 14th number of source is OA Julian, and remedy which has 14 to 16, 14-16, it means that these medicines are taken from more than one source, means source number 14, source number 15, and source number 16. So in all three sources this medicine has mentioned. So it is clear now. Next important point, according to Peirce-Smith and Galverdine, experiences justify classification of certain drugs of Kant into higher grades. It is for which are marked by 1 to 5, 14 to 16, like that. Next important point, mainly if we see, volume 1 has 6 groups. Volume 1 has 6 grooves. And what are those grooves? Abrupt, delusion, fear, irritability, sadness, and IFR. So, what? Abrupt, delusion, fear, irritability, sadness, and IFR. Again, if we jump to second volume again it has 6 grooves. What are those 6 grooves? First is day, second is food, third is pain, fourth is reaction, fifth is weakness, and sixth is IE. Here see, IFR and IE, these are the cross references. If we come to third volume has again 3 parts. As I told, sleep, dreams, male sexual and female sexual. Here male sexual is denoted with sex, male, sex, sex, male, and female is denoted by sex, W. Sex, W. And third is dreams. Now if we come towards the minor aspect regarding the number of rubrics which were added in different volumes. In first volume, if we see, there are 183 new rubrics. In second volume, there are 114 new rubrics. In volume third, sleep and dreams, in sleep 16 new rubrics has been added. In dreams, around 261 new rubrics have been added. In sex, male 15, and like that sex female 26. So overall if we see there are 558 new rubrics has been added in synthetic repertory. Now come to the typography which is used in synthetic repertory. See, there are 4 types of typography. First, here I think you can see, first is capital underline. Here you can see LICO underline, that is first. Second is only capital, Veratrum you can see here. Then third is bold only, again you can see Palladium, bold. And fourth is normal, mark, ignitia like. So there are 4 types of typography in synthetic repertory if we see. So first is capital underline, second capital, third bold, and fourth is Roman. So capital underline, only capital, bold, and fourth is Roman. So all these 4 types of typography has been given in synthetic repertory. Another important features we will see in the second part of synthetic repertory. Thank you very much.